Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your Oxford Progressive English book and open your page number 46. Today we are starting Unit 9 Shopping. Unit 9 Lesson 1 Listen and Speak. Play shop with your friend. Take turn to be the customer and the shopkeeper. Here he's a shopkeeper and she's a customer. For example, do you have any necklaces? She asks from shopkeeper, do you have any necklaces? Yes, I do. Would you like a gold one or a silver one? I would like a silver one, please. Do you have any dresses? Do you have any dresses? Yes, I do. Or no, I'm sorry, I don't. Do you have any dresses? She asked from her, do you have any dresses? And she replied her, yes, I do. Would you like a yellow one or a blue one? I would like, and she replied her, I would like a yellow one, please. Now look at B part. Sing this song. Here we go, Lobby Lou. Put your right foot in, put your right foot out. Shake it a little, and turn yourself about. Here we go, Lobby Lou. Here we go, Lobby Light. Here we go, Lobby Lou. All on a Saturday night. Put your left foot in, put your left foot out. So now look at your page number 47. Phonics and words. Read the word with the ya and ck sound. Match the picture to the word. Here we have some words like fly, sky, cry, my, why, buy, fly. Here's a fly, so match it like this. Sky, here's a sky, match it like this. And here we have ck sound. Sock, duck, quack, quick, chicken, here's a chicken, bucket, here's a bucket, black, sick. So now look at D part. Use Y or ck, cook, like sock, duck, quack, chicken, bucket, black and thick. Example, my dash is red. My sock is red. The fly is black. What is this? This is a fly. So the fly is black. A dash says quack. The duck says quack. Why are you crying? Because past words. So number 1, go to the market. When we change this sentence into the past sentence, so we write she went. So the past tense of this word is went. Go, went. So the second form of go is went. Go to the market. She went to the market. Get a bucket. Got a bucket. Get some socks. She got some socks. Go home. She went home. Say hello to Sarah. She said hello to Sarah. Have a cup of tea. She had a cup of tea. Have had. Make lunch. Made. She made a lunch. When we use these words into past sentence, it will be changed like go, went, get, got, go, went, say, said, have, had, and make, made. Now look at C part. These children are in the shop. They are naughty. What do their mother say is match the sentences to the pictures. Don't touch the apple. Look at here. Don't touch the apple. Apple is here, so match it to this picture. Don't run. Match it with the picture. Don't pick the flower, match it with this picture. Don't eat those sweets, match it with E picture. Don't play with the toys, match it with C picture.